The video you are seeing right now, this is Weißensee. The most famous picnic spot in the Berlin. You can come here, enjoy your day in between the nature, and if the days are sunny, it looks more beautiful than you are seeing right now. I mean, if you wanna make most out of the day, then you can come here. Here's a lake, as you can see. Some people are saying there's a TV series which is based on this location, specifically based on this place. I didn't even search, but you can. But the main thing is, this is most beautiful place. People are come here enjoying sunny days, summer, and every season. I mean, whatever season is right now, it looks more beautiful in every season. You can call evergreen place for your day off. Enjoy.